If you've searched for cosmetic dentistry costs in Muscat lately, you already know the drill. You want a number to help you budget, but almost every clinic website gives you the exact same vague phrase: prices vary. Legitimate teeth whitening treatments in the 2026 Muscat market actually range from 45 to 260 Omani Rials, depending on the method. Navigating a gap that wide without a map is risky. You might severely overpay a clinic for a basic service, or worse, risk permanent damage by hunting for bargains at an underpriced, unlicensed kiosk. This scale operates on three distinct levers: the speed of the result you want, the severity of your stains, and the level of professional supervision you require. Choosing a treatment is an investment decision. Trade your time to keep costs low, or pay a premium to offload the work to a professional. Once you understand how those levers work, you stop being a passive buyer reacting to random quotes and start choosing the exact clinical outcome that fits your life. We can break these options down using a comparison matrix, starting with the most affordable tier, the dentist-supplied at-home kit. The financial baseline currently sits between 45 and 75 Omani Rials. That price covers custom-fitted trays made by your dentist. From there, the effort is on you, wearing those trays nightly over 1 to 2 weeks. Biologically, this is highly effective for mild staining. The primary trade-off is patience. Because you rely on gradual, self-administered applications, you won't see your final cosmetic result for a while. However, a slower bleaching process carries the lowest risk of triggering tooth sensitivity while keeping your upfront financial costs down. If you are comfortable trading your own time and consistent effort to keep your capital expenditure at a minimum, this tier is the right solution. The middle tier is standard in-office whitening. This requires a financial jump. You can expect to pay anywhere from 90 to 150 Omani Rials. That premium buys you a single, fully supervised 60 to 90-minute chairside bleaching session. This tier is engineered to break down moderate staining that a basic home kit might struggle to lift. Because you get visible results the same day, this is the best choice for an impending deadline, like a wedding or a major event. The clinical trade-off for fast results is a higher likelihood of temporary tooth sensitivity for a day or two afterward. This is the optimal middle ground for patients with moderate stains who prefer to spend capital to offload the labor to a professional. The maximum performance tier is the laser plus take-home combo. This tier demands the highest investment, landing between 160 and 260 Omani Rials. This is a hybrid approach. It starts with an advanced laser-activated session in the clinic, paired with a take-home kit to lock in the final shade. Biologically, this protocol is for heavy, deeply entrenched staining, the kind caused by years of heavy coffee consumption or smoking. This delivers the fastest, most dramatic shade change and the most durable clinical outcome. However, along with the high financial outlay, you still must maintain daily at-home compliance with the touch-up kit to finish the job. Trying to save money by undertreating severe stains with a lower-tier method results in a poor return on investment. Heavy discoloration mandates a maximum clinical investment. Even after picking a tier, a few hidden variables can cause quotes to swing outside those standard ranges. First is the specialist premium. Booking a dedicated cosmetic dentist with a strong portfolio commands a higher baseline rate than general services from a family dentist. Next is the session multiplier. Severe discoloration may dictate 2 or 3 separate clinical sessions. Every extra session adds to the final cost. You also have to account for a strict biological limitation if you have cosmetic restorations like veneers or crowns. Whitening agents only react chemically with natural enamel. Any capital spent trying to bleach existing dental work is wasted, so you'll need to budget for matching options instead. Look closely at this scorecard. It highlights why you must resist the temptation of extremely cheap, unlicensed kiosk or salon-style whitening treatments. Chasing impossibly low prices outside of a verified clinic trades a small amount of upfront savings for a severe, expensive risk of permanent enamel damage. This decision tree consolidates the data into an actionable framework. It starts with one question: what is your primary constraint? If your priority is strict budget management and your staining is mild, take the left path. The at-home kit is your best option. If you have a fast timeline for an event and need to clear moderate stains, choose the standard in-office treatment. If you are dealing with heavy, entrenched stains, skip the lower tiers and budget specifically for the laser combo to ensure the treatment is effective. When you are ready to book, always demand a written quote after an in-person consultation rather than accepting a flat menu price over the phone. Check that written quote to confirm whether a take-home touch-up kit is included. This prevents hidden back-end costs later. Aligning your chosen treatment tier with your specific biological reality and financial capacity ensures your final smile matches your investment.